This is the NutriBullet Pro, the nutrient extracting powerhouse designed for anyone looking to use the power of nutrition to improve their overall health and well-being. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet Pro breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, extracting those vital nutrients locked inside, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet Pro's powerful 900-watt motor, combined with NutriBullet's exclusive cyclonic action, forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet Pro comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, a colossal 32-ounce cup and 24-ounce cup. It also comes with a flip-top to-go lid, so your smoothie is ready to go whenever you are. The NutriBullet Pro is built to last, durable enough for everyday use, and protected by a full 1-year warranty. So, whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, or just want to improve your overall health, transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet Pro.
Getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download the app, connect to the Balance, start making balanced smoothies. The secret is the built-in Smart Nutrition sensor. It recognizes when ingredients are being added and calculates the calories, fat, carbs, protein, sugar, and more. And you can track your nutrition just like you track your daily steps. Nutrition just got way easier and so much smarter. Just build, blend, and track to create the perfectly balanced smoothie every time. Because when your balance is right, everything is right.
One gift this holiday season. The all-new BlendJet 2 portable blender packs so much power and innovation, it's 5 times more powerful than the original and can blast through almost anything. It holds 33% more with a 16-ounce capacity and has measurement markings right on the jar. With 16 beautiful colors to choose from, BlendJet 2 is the perfect gift for everyone. BlendJet 2 is amazing for making smoothie bar quality smoothies. It crushes right through frozen fruit and ice. Say goodbye to chalky chunks of protein. Toss in a banana to make your protein shake taste like a milkshake. BlendJet 2 whips up frozen lattes so good you'll want to get out of bed every morning just to have one. Top your latte with a little whipped cream and chocolate and enjoy the coffee shop experience without the coffee shop price tag. Be your own bartender and impress your friends with mixologist-level frozen margaritas. Best of all, the BlendJet 2 cleans itself. Just add a drop of soap, water, and blend. Enjoy 15 blends per charge and recharge quickly with any USB port. With Pulse Mode, your BlendJet 2 becomes a portable food processor that can pulverize almost anything. BlendJet offers fast and free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Order yours now exclusively from BlendJet.com.